Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I gonna show you the straightforward tricks to fix installation failed with a description of an error occurred while installing the selected updates. Follow the video till the end to get your fix. Working solution depends on which types of problems running on your Mac. If you are getting an error while start macOS update from Mac System Preferences window, then the alternate way is to get macOS software update from Mac App Store. Open Mac App Store from the Launchpad and search OS name from the top right search box. Here's my recent macOS Big Sur update. Click on it and move to the summary page. Again, click on Get button to start downloading macOS software to your Mac. Again, Mac will ask, are you sure you want to macOS Big Sur update? Click on Download button and start downloading process. In this process still, are you getting the same error? Then check your Mac date and time. Some outdated date on your Mac doesn't allow the Apple server connection. To update your Mac system date and time, first click on Apple logo from the top Mac menu and click on the System Preferences option and click on Date and Time. Click on Lock to make a change and enter your Mac login password. Then, here the checkbox set date and time automatically and also select your region depends on your continent. Now the second tab is for time zone. Also enable the checkbox set time zone automatically using current location. During this process, your Mac must have an active internet connection. Here's my Mac. Get the correct date and time according to my location. Again, retry download macOS setup file from the Mac App Store. Search macOS name in the search field and start downloading by click on the Get button. Finally, know the technical issues from the Apple server status page, where you see the Apple server status page in the United States and macOS software update problems. Find the links given in the video description for other countries. Still, you are getting an error, then reinstall macOS in macOS recovery mode. Also, don't miss to take backup in Time Machine because software error might be lost your Mac computer data. So this is the safest way to reinstall macOS on your Mac. Here are the key combinations for Silicon Mac and Intel processor Mac to enter your Mac into recovery mode. Know which Mac you have and follow the steps. For Apple Silicon Mac, turn on your Mac and continue to press and hold the power button until you see the Startup Options window, which includes a gear icon labeled Options. Select Options, then click Continue. And for Intel processor Mac, choose Apple Menu Restart, then immediately press and hold one of these key combinations. Press and hold Command-R keys. Reinstall the version of macOS stored on your computer's built-in recovery disk. Option Command-R keys to install the latest version of macOS compatible with your computer. Here you have to go with this option. And press and hold Shift Option Command-R keys to reinstall your computer's original version of macOS. Now in the Recovery app window, select Reinstall macOS, then click Continue. If your Mac asks to enter a firmware password, then enter your Mac's administrator password and go to the next step. Start the installation process on your selected partition or drive. Here's my video on how to reinstall macOS on your MacBook or Mac. That's an easy method but really effective. That's it. Hope you get the solutions in this video, so thumbs up and subscribe for more update. Also, comment on me to get more help from us.